Hey guys, it's me again, Rev, and today we're gonna do another Beyblade unboxing and review. This time, we have this Storm Pegasus. And no, this isn't the Beyblade Burst version. This is the old Metal Fight version. Yes, I know this is a really old Beyblade, but I've been in love with Metal Fight ever since I was a little kid, and I still am to this day. So here is the box. Let's take a quick look at it. You got Metal Fight in, I'm not sure what language that is. I think that's either Arabian or Thai. I'm not sure. Leave a comment below what language that is. Anyways, yes, it's a right spin and hybrid wheel. Yes, it is from Takara Tomy, and it is an attack type. And there you have Storm Pegasus battling Dark Wolf. And there you have another picture of Storm Pegasus. And yes, it does come with a really cool string launcher. And there's the owner of Pegasus, Storm Pegasus, which is Gingka. We all know who that is. Really cool character. On the side shows Pegasus. The side shows Pegasus too. And on top shows Pegasus, the name. And on the back we have Pegasus. We have the box showing Pegasus's individual parts. You have the face bolt, clear wheel, metal wheel, track and bottom. And there you have Pegasus battling Dark Wolf again, sending the Bay out of the stadium. And there you have the Bay launcher, and there's the stats for Pegasus. See how good he is. And there you have a combination of, I think that's Rock, Pegasus, ED145, oh no, WD145 and Flat Sharp Performance Tip, which is a balance type combination. And over here shows you can mix and match the clear wheel and the metal wheel with other Beyblades. So there you go. Let's move on to the unboxing. Okay, I got everything out of the box, and we'll be looking at each one that came with the box. First off, you got this really cool blue string launcher, just like what Gingka had in the anime. There you go, really cool. This is a right spin launcher. Yes, the card told me. You have the instructions in English and Arabian, in Hindi. Sorry. Don't need to go over that. And here are the stickers. Not a lot of stickers here. Might put them on later. There you go. And here you have the tool, blue tool. Awesome. Alright, let's take a look at the face bolt, or face in Takara version. Just a plain blue face bolt, nothing to it. And here you have the clear wheel Pegasus. It's really cool. You can see the tornado, not tornado, but the vortex spinning around. And you also have the head of Pegasus as well on both sides. You have the metal wheel, which is Storm, a 3-bladed metal wheel, really good for attack Beyblades. Here you have the track, which is 105, which I believe is the 4th lowest track in Metal Fight. Really cool. And here you have the bottom, which is rubber flat. Really good for attacking too. And with the rubber tip, it provides the most grip in the stadium. There you go. Alright, let's move on to the weigh-in. Alright, now we're gonna weigh in Storm Pegasis 105RF, and as you can see, I've already applied the stickers on. So let's see how much this Beyblade weighs. 36 grams. Pretty light, which is understandable for an attack type. So there you go. There you have the weigh-in for Storm Pegasis. And now we're gonna talk about this string launcher here. What you can do with this string launcher is you can attach this to a launcher grip. I had got my 3-segment launcher here, and you can attach it, lock it in, and there you go. There you have the launcher on a launcher grip. Alright, now we're gonna do a test spin for Storm Pegasus. Alright, here I have my attack type stadium. Now we're gonna do a test spin for Storm Pegasus 105RF. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. And as you can see, the base moving my stadium. It's because the table is pretty smooth. Yeah, the surface is pretty smooth, my table. Let's try it. Alright, now let's try a flower pattern. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. There you go. Does make a pretty nice flower pattern in the stadium as it spins. But the bay doesn't have a lot of stamina because of the rubber flat tip. There you go. Okay, there you have the unboxing and review for Storm Pegasis 105RF. A pretty cool Beyblade. One of the coolest Beyblades in Metal Fight Sega. And I'm so glad that I got the opportunity to review this Beyblade. Yeah, I'm so happy to get this. And I got this Beyblade from Global Bazaar on eBay for $29 with free shipping, which is a really good price, and it was worth it too because the shipping was free. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and please check out my Instagram page and please follow it too, and please check out the channel Angoscus328 down in the description below. And stay tuned for the unboxing of Lightning El Drago 100 HF. And this has been Raptor Rev. Moving on to the next video.